back in the hole. This way. Yes. So we're going to Vets to Cats in Cave Spring. We're seeing Dr. Miller. She's a lovely lady.
Come here, Muffin. There, the Muffin. Look at her face. She says, I'm so happy. I'm happy to be here today. That's my girl. Tompies. Show me the hissers.
Oh, nice.
Show me the hissers. Beautiful teeth. It helps with a frozen jaw. Beautiful teeth. Their heart's good.
It's alright, kiddo.
Lungs are good. Now we're going to start touching the belly. He's going to fuss and scream, and the farther you go to the back, the louder he's going to go. So it's like we've done this before.
Freedom! All right, Rigby, it's your turn. Wrong end, girl. Oh my God.